Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals, while others struggle? Do you feel like there's a secret key to unlocking your true potential that you haven't discovered yet? Today, we're exploring something incredibly fascinating yet often misunderstood: manifestation. But we're not just covering the basics that you might have heard 1,000 times. Instead, we're diving into the little-known elements of manifestation. The aspects that are less talked about but hold immense power. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Now, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. It's not just about positive thinking. Many believe that manifestation is all about thinking positive thoughts. While positivity plays a crucial role, it's not the only factor. It also involves aligning your actions with your desires and taking steps towards your goals. Emotions play a crucial role. Your emotional state has a significant influence on your ability to manifest. Emotions like joy, gratitude, and love can amplify your manifesting abilities, while negative emotions like fear, doubt, or anger can block them. Patience is key. Manifestation often takes time. It requires patience and persistence. Some people might see results quickly, while others may need to wait longer. The timing will depend on various factors, including the complexity of what you're trying to manifest. Specificity matters. While manifesting, being specific about what you want can be helpful. Vague or general wishes may not yield the desired results. For example, instead of saying "I want more money," specify how much you want and what you intend to do with it. Your belief system can influence results. Your subconscious beliefs can either help or hinder your manifestation efforts. If you have deep-seated beliefs that contradict your desires, they could prevent you from achieving your goals. Action is required. Manifestation isn't just about thinking or wishing for something to happen. It also requires you to take action towards your goals. This could involve learning new skills, making lifestyle changes, or overcoming challenges. Manifestation works both ways. Just as you can manifest positive outcomes, you can also manifest negative ones. If you constantly focus on negative thoughts or fears, you could inadvertently attract those situations into your life. Gratitude is powerful. Regularly expressing gratitude for what you already have can help you manifest more of what you want. It shifts your focus from lack to abundance and helps attract more positive experiences. Remember that everyone's manifestation journey is unique, and it's essential to find a practice that resonates with you.